Tough job keeping. Better you than me. There we go. In the arc. That will go all the way again.
Journey. And again. And that's even further. Oh dear, welcome to the bowling crease.
To the Gulbahar Afghanistan Premier League. That's what's going to happen. He's got a crabby kind of action, darted it in, but it was in the arc, and Hazratullah.
Six more. Oh, goodness me. Harry.
Well, so Kabul doing to Balk what Balk did to them. I think, of course, he now goes over the wicket. And should get the same treatment up in the air, this time on the offside. No cover there, over long off.
They made a flying start. Oh, another one! Goodness me!
Abhi might be chewing that gum a little harder right now, saying, oh, hang on now. Are we going to be chased? 245? No! Hazratullah, 50! In only 12 deliveries. Brian's going to check this for sure. Only 12 deliveries. And up again into the night sky. He's done it. Sixes in the over.
Brought into his final over. That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here.
Even bringing smoke in the clouds, this. Off the bat, it's still in there. We've lost it. There it is again.
Six more. Just a flick of the wrist.
Yuvraj, we saw him on the boundary edge. Get me in. Just a flick, nothing more.
This is in the air again. Clears long off. 3 in a row.
It's raining sixes here. Kingsmead, there's another. Look at the technique. Right foot out of the way.
Now around the wicket. Will it make a difference? It doesn't. It's 4 in a row.
Here it is again. Yuvraj Singh. 38 from 10 deliveries.
5. Yes!
Here he goes again. Yuvraj Singh. 44. 11 deliveries.
Kingsmead on its feet. So is the commentary box. And here goes Broad. Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Oh, has he? Yes! Into the crowd. 6 sixes in an over.
Get out of here, Yuvraj Singh. Look.